This is the complete guide to Replit AI, the browser-based coding platform that lets you build and deploy real applications from any device using AI. No local install. No environment setup. No DevOps configuration. Replit Agent is the autonomous coding agent that describes, plans, writes, fixes, and deploys your app end-to-end. By the end of this video you will know every Replit AI feature, how Replit Agent works and what it can build autonomously, how multiplayer turns any replace into a shared coding environment, how Replit deployments and always-on hosting work, how Replit's built-in database and secrets management saves setup time, how Replit compares to GitHub Copilot, Cursor, and Bolt.new, every pricing plan, and 8 pro tips that produce dramatically better results immediately. Let us get into it. Replit was founded in 2016 by Amjad Masad in San Francisco. The founding mission was to make programming universally accessible, removing barriers like local setup, operating system limitations, and the need for expensive hardware. The company has raised $222 million and reached unicorn status with a valuation of $1.16 billion in 2023. Replit is used by millions of developers, students, and educators worldwide, and is one of the most widely used online coding platforms in education. The AI layer has 2 main components. Replit Agent is the autonomous coding agent that takes a plain English description of an application and builds, runs, debugs, and deploys it without manual intervention. Ghostwriter is the inline AI code completion that understands your full project context and suggests the next line or function as you type. Replit supports any programming language through its Nix-based environment, including Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Rust, Go, C++, and Java. The browser-based approach means everything works on any device including Chromebooks, tablets, and low-powered machines that could not run a local development environment. Let me walk through every major Replit AI feature. Replit Agent, the flagship feature. Describe an application in plain English and the agent plans the structure, creates files, writes the code, installs dependencies, runs it, reads errors, fixes them, and deploys. Ghostwriter, inline AI code completion that reads your entire project and suggests context-aware completions as you type. AI Chat, a conversational sidebar where you ask questions about your code, request explanations, or get suggestions without leaving the editor. Fix Bug, one click to diagnose the current error in your replace and apply an AI-generated fix. Explain Code, highlight any block of code and get a plain English explanation of exactly what it does. Generate Code, write a comment describing what a function should do and Replit generates the implementation from the description. AI Transform, select any code and rewrite or refactor it by describing the change in plain language. And Multiplayer, multiple people can code in the same replace simultaneously in real time, each with their own cursor, with changes visible to all collaborators instantly. Replit Agent is the feature that defines Replit's AI story in 2026. Here is exactly how it works. You describe what you want to build in the agent prompt. The more specific your description, the closer the first build is to what you need. The agent starts by planning the project structure, what files to create, what stack to use, what libraries are needed. It then creates every file in the project, writes the application code across multiple modules, and installs all required packages. When the agent runs the application and encounters an error, it reads the error message, diagnoses the cause, writes a fix, and reruns automatically. You watch the application build in the Replit Live preview pane in real time as the agent works. At the end of the build process, the agent deploys the application to a live URL that you can share immediately. After deployment, you can continue working with the agent, ask it to add a new feature, change the design, fix something that is not working correctly, or connect to an external API. This is what makes Replit Agent distinct from simple code completion. It takes ownership of the full development lifecycle. Here is how to get started with Replit AI from scratch. Step 1. Go to replit.com and create a free account. Google, GitHub, or email login. Ghostwriter and Basic Agent Access are both included on the free plan. No card required. Step 2. Click Create Replace and choose a language or template. Python, Node.js, React, Flask, and hundreds of starter templates are available. Step 3. Try Ghostwriter immediately. Start typing any code and watch gray completion text appear. Press Tab to accept a suggestion, Escape to dismiss it. Ghostwriter reads your full project to suggest context-appropriate code. Step 4. Try AI Chat. Click the chat icon in the sidebar and ask a question about your code. Explain a function, find a bug, or ask it to write a test. Step 5. Try Fix Bug. Run your code, and if it throws an error, click the AI Fix button. Replit diagnoses and applies a fix with one click. Step 6. Try Replit Agent. Click the agent icon and describe an application you want to build. Be specific about the features, the stack, and how a user will interact with it. Step 7. Deploy. Static sites deploy on the free plan. Always-on servers that stay running require the core plan. Here is how to use Replit Agent to build and deploy an app from start to finish. Step 1. Click Agent in the Replit sidebar. Agent is available with full access on the core plan at $25 per month. Step 2. Describe your application clearly. Name the features, who will use it, what data it stores, and how the interactions work. The more specific your description, the closer the first build is to what you need. Step 3. Review the agent's plan before it starts. The agent tells you the files it will create and the stack it has chosen. You can redirect at this stage without any code being written. Step 4. Watch the agent build in real time. Files appear in the File Explorer, code is written across them, packages install in the background, and the application runs in the preview pane. Step 5. Test the live preview and give feedback if anything is not right. Type your feedback in the agent chat, describing the specific issue, and the agent addresses it without you writing code. Step 6. Ask agent to add features or refine after the first build. Dark mode, database connection, user authentication, API integrations. The agent continues developing the app from the existing codebase. Step 7. Click Deploy. Your app gets a live URL you can share immediately. Core plan keeps it running around the clock. Multiplayer is one of Replit's most distinctive features and one that makes it genuinely different from every local IDE. Every Replit project is collaborative by default. You invite someone to a replace the same way you share a Google Doc, click Invite, share a link, and they join your coding session. Each collaborator gets their own cursor, visible in real time to everyone else. All edits, file changes, and terminal activity are shared instantly. The most common professional use cases are pair programming, where two developers work through a problem together in the same file, and code reviews, where a reviewer joins the session to walk through the code interactively rather than reviewing a static pull request. In education, multiplayer lets an instructor write code alongside a student, correcting errors and explaining concepts in real time. For hackathons, multiple developers can build the same project simultaneously without merge conflicts, since all changes are synchronized live. The critical addition, all of Replit's AI features, Ghostwriter, AI Chat, and Agent, are available to all collaborators in the same session. This means your team can build with AI together in real time. Replit deployments make Replit a complete development platform, not just an editor. You can deploy directly from the Replit interface without any external hosting setup. Static deployments are free and serve HTML, CSS, and JavaScript websites without a backend server. Reserved VM deployments keep a server running around the clock for dynamic applications that need a persistent process. This is available on Core Plan and above. Autoscale deployments automatically handle variable traffic. When your app gets more requests, Replit allocates more compute automatically and scales back down when traffic drops. You can point your own custom domain to any Replit deployment in the domain settings without touching DNS manually. GitHub integration lets you import an existing repository into Replit or export any replace as a GitHub repository for version control. Secrets management is built into every replace. Store API keys and environment variables in the Secrets tab and they are injected automatically at runtime. And deployment history lets you roll back to any previous deployment with a single click if a new release introduces a problem. Replit includes built-in infrastructure that removes several common setup steps that slow down the start of a new project. Replit database is a key value store built into every replace. You access it with a single import, no configuration, no connection string, no external service. Data persists across replace restarts, so it survives when the replace stops and resumes when it starts again. It is suitable for small applications, session storage, user preferences, and prototype data before you connect a proper database. The Nix-based environment is what allows Replit to support any language. Nix gives you access to every tool and library available on Linux, configurable through the replace configuration file. Full shell access in the browser means you can run any command line task, not just run your application. Package managers from all major ecosystems are available: npm for JavaScript, pip for Python, Cargo for Rust, and others. For applications that need a real database, Replit integrates with PostgreSQL and other external database providers, with the connection credentials stored securely in secrets. Who gets the most value from Replit AI? Students and learners are the largest user group. Replit removes every setup barrier that stops beginners from starting: no install, no environment config, no path variables, just open a browser and start coding. Indie developers use Replit to build and ship side projects quickly without maintaining a local development environment for every project. Educators use multiplayer and Replit's always accessible nature to teach coding in a shared environment where they can see and edit student work live. Hackathon teams use Replit because every team member can join the same project from any device and start contributing immediately. Non-technical founders use Replit Agent to prototype product ideas and produce working demos without hiring a developer for the initial build. Backend developers use Replit's always-on deployments to run small server applications without managing a VPS or cloud instance. And developer advocates use Replit to build interactive code demos that anyone can fork, run, and experiment with in the browser. Here is what developers are actually building with Replit AI right now. A student builds a full-stack web application for a class project using Replit Agent in a single afternoon, without needing to configure a local environment or learn deployment. An indie developer uses Agent over a weekend to ship a SaaS prototype and get it in front of potential users, with no DevOps work involved in the deployment. A teacher runs a live coding lesson with 30 students all working in the same replace simultaneously, with the teacher's cursor visible to everyone. A founder uses Agent to build a working MVP and validate the core idea before spending money on hiring a developer. A developer builds a Discord bot, using Agent to write all the /command handlers and event listeners from a plain English description of what each command should do. A hackathon team of 4 people all code in the same Replit project from different locations and ship a working application in 24 hours. A developer advocate builds an interactive API demo and shares the URL so anyone can fork the replace, run it immediately, and experiment with the code without any setup. And a backend developer runs a Python Flask API around the clock on Replit's always-on hosting without managing a single server. Here is the honest comparison. Versus GitHub Copilot, Replit is fully browser-based with no install, includes Agent for autonomous app building, and has built-in deployment. GitHub Copilot has deeper IDE integration and multi-model support inside your existing editor. Versus Cursor, Replit requires no local install, includes multiplayer, and has built-in hosting. Cursor has the best AI codebase indexing and chat experience for local development. Versus Bolt.new, Replit supports any language and any stack through Nix, and provides always-on server hosting. Bolt.new is faster for React application generation and has a stronger free tier. Versus Lovable, Replit gives you full shell access, any language, and Nix-based environment control. Lovable auto-configures Supabase for backend, authentication, and database. Versus Glitch, Replit has Agent, Ghostwriter, and the full AI feature suite. Glitch is fully free, has an instant remix community, and is simpler for very small projects. Versus CodePen, Replit handles full backend applications in any language. CodePen is focused on front-end experiments and has instant CSS sharing. The honest summary, Replit is the best choice for developers who want a browser-based environment supporting any language, with Agent for autonomous building and built-in deployment. 8 tips that consistently produce better results with Replit AI. 1. Give agent a complete description before it starts. Features, users, data the app will store, and how users will interact. More context up front reduces the amount of correction needed after the first build. 2. Add your API keys to secrets before describing the app to agent. Agent can reference secrets by name so credentials never appear directly in code. 3. Fork a Replit template that is close to your stack before starting agent. Agent builds faster on a working scaffold than from a completely blank replace. 4. Always read the agent's plan before confirming execution. Redirecting at the plan stage costs nothing. Fixing code built in the wrong direction costs significant time. 5. Invite a teammate to the same agent session using multiplayer. 2 people reviewing the live build catch problems faster than 1. 6. For any server-side application or API, use reserved VM deployment. Static deployment will not keep a server running between incoming requests. 7. Use Replit database to get the prototype working quickly, then migrate to PostgreSQL when the app is ready for production scale. 8. If agent misses a package or installs the wrong version, open the shell tab and install it manually. Pip install and npm install both work directly in the Replit shell. Replit AI pricing. The free plan includes Ghostwriter code completion, basic agent access, public REPLs, and static site deployment. It is a genuinely useful free tier for learning, experimenting, and building projects that do not require always-on server hosting. Core is $25 per month. Full Replit agent access, private REPLs, always-on reserved VM deployments that keep your server running around the clock, and significantly more compute. For anyone building real applications they want to deploy and keep running, Core is the essential plan. The agent access alone makes Core worth the upgrade for developers using Replit as their primary build tool. Teams is $40 per user per month. Everything in Core plus a shared team workspace, team management, and administrative controls for organizations where multiple developers work on shared projects. Enterprise is custom priced and adds SSO, compliance features, dedicated support, and custom usage limits for larger organizations. My recommendation: start free to learn the platform and try basic agent. Upgrade to Core immediately when you need full agent access and always-on hosting for a real deployed application. Here is everything you need. Start at Replit.com, a free account, Ghostwriter and basic agent included, no card required. Upgrade to Core at $25 per month for full agent access and always-on hosting. Available at Replit.com/pricing. Move to Teams at $40 per user when your team needs a shared workspace and admin controls. If you prefer working inside your own editor rather than a browser IDE, GitHub Copilot at github.com/features/copilot is worth comparing. Link in the description. All links are below. If this guide helped you understand what Replit AI can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI tool every week. Now go open a replace and try agent. See you in the next one.